Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm just doing a quick job of putting in some recessed downlights in this carport. There's going to be 6 here. This has all just been resheeted. I just wanted to really show this particular tool that I use, and it's an adjustable hole cutter. So this is it. I have a dust catcher, the drill bits with the 2 pieces here, and these are on an adjustable rule, so you can set it to anything from like kind of 40-50 mil all the way up to 300 mil in diameter. Some spare blades, a spring, and the locking screw. So I'm just going to assemble all this together. So I've set this to 90 mil diameter for the Holesaw, for the 90 mil for the downlight diameter. Put the spring on, and then the locking screw on there. Okay, so then as I push in, this will then push forward and cut the hole. Okay, let's go and cut some holes. So there you go, dead quick and easy, and just gathers all the dust. There's no dirt around, so it's ideal if you're doing it inside, doing some downlights inside. Definitely a worthy addition to put in your toolbox. So I've just had a bit of a reach. So I've just had a bit of a reach around, and I found the old cabling for the lights. So I'm going to connect these up now to surface mount sockets, and the downlights can plug into those. Okay, not quite sure how well you're going to see this. So these are the old ceiling battens that were originally mounted to the old ceiling. This is what we're going to do with them. I'm taking these out. Okay. Now these are a little bit long for my liking, so I'm just going to trim these off. Now for those who haven't seen these before, this is a surface socket. Comes with a little back, and we just wire in our terminals there. So we've got an active earth neutral and a loop terminal there as well. I'm just going to use the active neutral earth. Okay, they're knackered doing this with a camera in front of me. There we go. Oh, shit, sorry. And then the earth. Take out this little breakout here. Clip on. There we go. So most of our lights have got a fly lead with a standard plug top on them, and that just makes it really easy then for doing our testing at the end of the lighting circuit, because we can just plug the tester into this socket and test everything that we need to. So we can test from the board and from our endpoint. And once all that's done, the lights just plug in, push into the ceiling, and that's all good. The one over there is going to have, we're going to wire a sensor into that one. So I'll get onto that now. Fourth attempt. Going to put one of these weatherproof switches into there. There's nowhere else really for it to go either side of the board. I'll show you. It's all the solder switches on that side, got the steel and the hose pipe on this side. It's only for occasional use, so I'm just going to mount it in there. So I've just noticed in this board, when I changed all the switch gear, it was all left nice and neat, and now it's an absolute pigsty. It's a fucking mess of spaghetti again. I think the husband's been having a bit of a bash. Yeah. Final thing is these Osram LED-Vance integrated LEDs that are going in. IP44 rated from the front. They'll be fine under there. Colour selectable. And our plug lead. there we go. That's a quick video of putting in some downlights with that adjustable cutter. That'll look pretty neat at night. Just got to wait for the painters to come in. That'll look good. Okay, hope that's been good. Hope you've enjoyed that. If you enjoyed that, hit like and hit the subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.